This is going to be a quick tutorial on how to use reporting tags inside of Zoho Books. Zoho Books is really kind of limited as to what you can do in reportings, especially from a filtering basis. So reporting tags kind of helps you take that to the next level. So let's talk about reporting tags quickly. If you go up to the settings, and right there on their own is reporting tags. Now I've set up a couple already. These are kind of some basic ones. So I've got this one called product type, hardware, service, software. We're going to assign this one over to our items. And then I've got one called vendor type. Are they a consultant, an OEM, a service, or a supplier? And you can make as many different kinds of tags as you want about this. Just hit a new tag, give it a title, and put as many options as you want in. Once you've got that done, let's look at how you would assign these. So pretty fairly simple. If we go over to items, I've just got a couple base products in here. I have one called widget A. We can pretty much assume that widget A is going to be a hardware product. So let me go ahead and click the edit button here. And then down at the bottom, you can associate tags. So I've got product type and vendor type. I'm going to say that this is a hardware and go ahead and save it. So now that's associated with hardware. And if I look at the control panel license, that's going to be a software product. Again, going down here to product type, and I'm going to put it down as software and save it. So now if I were to go into reports, and let's just say you're looking at a general P&L, when you go into customize it, you actually can go ahead and add some filters. You can put those various things in, so you can say, what I want to do this, I want to do it by reporting, by product type, and is in, and you can choose the basic ones, and it's going to filter the report down that way. So pretty nice stuff from filtering it that way. Now let's look at how this would look for your customers or your vendors. If you go into, you can do it for either. I'm going to choose a customer here. So we've got this base customer, and when you go in and you go to edit the customer, there's a lot in here. You can also, most people don't see this, but you can have multiple addresses, multiple contact persons. You can have create custom fields. But here's reporting tags. So for this, we're going to go to the vendor type, and you could just choose what they are. Now when you run reports, you can even be more detailed, and you can say, well, I only want product types that were delivered by this vendor. You get the idea. It makes it really easy to kind of hone down your reports a little bit. That's it. That's reporting tags. Very straightforward. Hopefully you found this helpful.